I'm hoping someone can help me out with this and they've had a similar issue and managed to resolve it in the most cost-effective way. My MacBook M3 Pro has been glitching, or the screen's been glitching like this for a little while, and it's been progressively getting worse. It is the whole screen. So we get glitches like this. Now I'm running the latest OS on here, and this is a top spec M3. It's only 2 years old, but obviously it's out of warranty. Now I noticed if I squeeze just gently down here, it does momentarily, well it did, it's not doing it now. Yeah, momentarily clears it, momentarily. So I'm guessing there is a connector down there on the hinge or something, and that's come loose. Now the only thing I can think of is I've been traveling and I've had it in a backpack that's been quite full, and I've been wearing the backpack on my back, and I'm wondering whether the pressure of having it on my back has created an issue with the screen. But yeah, I think it was starting to glitch before I went away. So yeah, I'm really curious to find out if you have had the same issue. If you have, please leave me a comment below. Please let me know how you resolved it, and hopefully I can get this fixed without having to have a whole new screen replaced. Thanks in advance.